I'm going to show you how to go ahead and claim Venom Network airdrop. All right, so this is a new project and this is the best time for you to go ahead and take part in this airdrop. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and visit the URL venom.foundation. All right, the URL is going to be in the description below, so you can go ahead and do what I'm actually doing. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and create a wallet, and in order for you to go ahead and create a Venom wallet, what you need to do is to come to the website and click on this ecosystem section, click on the Venom wallet. All right, so I'm going to open that in a new tab. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to load. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and install. So you have different ways to install the Venom wallet. You can actually do this on your Google, you can download it on your Google Play Store. You can download it in the App Store, and you can also use the Chrome extension, which I'm going to be doing right here. All right, so I'm going to click on this Chrome section and it's going to open the Chrome wallet. Okay, this Chrome extension section. So now I can go ahead and add this to my browser. So once I'm done with this, we're going to continue with the video. So now, as you can see, successfully installed the Venom wallet. So I'm going to create a new wallet. All right, click on new wallet. You can see I successfully set up my Venom wallet. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enable it on my browser. And in order for me to do that, I just have to click on the extension button. Click on the extension button, scroll down to where I can find Venom wallet. I'm going to pin this and boom. So now I can remove this, I can close this tab, and as you can see right here, Venom wallet is right there. So as you can see right here, this is the wallet and this is my account. So you can actually go ahead and follow what I actually did. So as you can see, it's on testnet. So now I'm going to show you how to go ahead and take part in the airdrop. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to go to first, for some Venom funds, we go to the venom.network/tax. So now it's loading. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. So to do this, I'm just going to click on connect. Then I'll click on Venom Chrome extension. Then popped up. Then I'll select this account. Then connect. All right, so I've been able to connect my wallet. So now, in order for you to get this 50 Venom, what you need to do is to go ahead and you need to complete this task. Basically, I've completed one. The second one has to do with you logging in into your Twitter account. So which I'm going to do right here real quick. So as you can see right here, I'm going to authorize this. Okay, so I'll click on follow. So now I successfully followed Venom Foundation. So I'll come back, so click on check, then it's going to confirm if I've been able to follow the account. So we're waiting, it's loading. As you can see, I've successfully completed my task. So I can click on claim token. So clicking on claim token is going to ask me to enter my password for my Venom wallet. So I'm going to do that real quick. Then I'll click on section, then click on sign in. Then it's processing. All right, as you can see, it says your token will be claimed soon. So as you can see right here, if I click on this, so I'm sure I should be able to see my token. So it's showing. Okay, so I can click on claim. Click that. Then your token will be claimed soon. All right, so as you can see, this is how you can actually go ahead and take part in so basically, before you can be able to take part in the Venom airdrop, you need to go ahead and perform or take part in the Venom ecosystem. Right, make sure you're interactive with their products. So once you're interactive with their products, you'll be able to, or you'll be eligible to take part in the Venom Foundation airdrop. Right, so as you can see right here, I've been able to complete these tasks. So yes, guys, you can try as much as possible to complete so many tasks. All right, so complete so many tasks, and as you can see right here, we have so many tasks right here that says complete this, complete this, complete this. So as the more tasks you complete, the more testnet token you're going to get into your wallet. All right, so it says I'm going to receive my own testnet token very soon. All right, so that's my Venom testnet token into my wallet. As you can see right here, now it's available into my wallet. So you can go ahead and get more testnet token by completing more tasks on the venom.network/tax section, and you're going to get more token. All right, so the links are going to be in the description below, so try as much as possible to follow every single thing and get it done. So that's it guys for this video. Bye for now, and see you guys in another video.